hair.
This one as well. We will open this one.
Okay, yes. My mommy is opening this one. Mama gonna open it.
Yeah, I will remove first the plastic and then you will open the egg, okay? You say thank you, Tita Mama.
Thank you, Tita Mama. What's this? Wow, what's this?
What's that?
Wow.
Wow! Nice.
There's too much here. Let's count it. Let's go. When the blue egg, Mama, when the blue egg, please. Wow, Mommy, what's this? It's our friend.
That's an eraser.
I found a friend.
You found your friend?
She has shoes and fairy hair. It's so nice. Fairy hair. Hello. Who's that?
Can you open, please?
Okay, I'll open it. Wow.
Wow!
What's that? Mama, there's more.
There's more candy.
Mama, count all the candy. Mama, count it.
What's this?
Mama, count.
We will count the candy. What about this?
Oh, yes.
What we will do with this one?
Mommy, open it. See, look at this.
Say hi, guys. We'll open the egg.
Hi, guys, open the egg.
The pink one first. Which color?
Pink.
Okay.
One was inside.
Let's see. You want to close your eyes?
No. One what are you opening was inside.
I'm opening the plastic.
One was inside. Mine was inside.
Maybe a chocolate?
No.
A toy?
Yes.
Yes.
Mama, I can hold a toy. I can hold it. I can play
Yes.
that toy.
Of course.
I can play Angry room. I can play it. Now we're going to eat. I'm serving this carrot.
What?
I'm serving this carrot.
You're serving carrots
Yes.
to rabbit?
Yes. What's that?
Can you open it?
Oh, wow.
Oh wow! What are those?
Wow.
What's this?
What is...
It's an eraser, I think.
Mommy, what's that?